We need to write these decimals as mixed numbers. So first we have 2.2. Remember, the digit before the decimal point is the ones digit, and the digit after the decimal point is the tenths digit. So what we can do is draw a line across from the decimal point and write a denominator of 10. So as a mixed number, 2.2 is 2 and 2 tenths, because remember, in a mixed number, we have a whole number and a fraction. Now we have 2.02. The second digit after the decimal point is the hundredths digit. So what we can do is draw a line across from our decimal point, and because we have two digits after the decimal point, we can write a denominator of 100, so 2 zeros. So 2.02 is 2 and 2 hundredths as a mixed number. We don't need to write 2 and 0 2 hundredths because we don't have zeros on the start of whole numbers, and though the numerator isn't really a whole number, we can just write 2 and 2 hundredths instead of 2 and 0 2 hundredths. Now we have 2.002. So there are 3 digits after the decimal point, and the third digit is the thousandths digit. So we can draw a line across from our decimal point and write a denominator of 1,000. So notice 3 digits after the decimal point mean we have 1,000, so 3 zeros in our denominator. So that's 2 and 2 thousandths. Now we have 5.55. There are 2 digits after the decimal point, and the second digit after the decimal point is always the hundredths digit. So we can draw a line across from our decimal point and write a denominator of 100. So 2 digits after the decimal point, 2 zeros in 100. So that's 5 and 55 hundredths. Now 5.055. This time we have 3 digits after the decimal point, and because the third digit is the thousandths digit, we can draw a line across from the decimal point and write a denominator of 1,000. So 5.055 is 5 and 55 thousandths as a mixed number. Again, we don't need to write 0.55 thousandths because zeros at the start of numerators don't change the fraction. Finally, we have 5.555. So that's 3 digits after the decimal point, so draw a line across and write a denominator of 1,000, so that's 3 zeros. So as a mixed number, we have 5 and 555 thousandths. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.